Been wanting to do this project for a while now. I'm going to build myself some stairs. Not going to make it too hard for myself, nice and easy. Just a quick Bunnings job with those prefabricated metal stairs. This is where I'm going to be putting them, and they're going to be about 4 steps high, so it should be pretty straightforward. We'll see what happens. Let's make sure this is nice and level. This may need some encouragement from my little friend the mallet, but it's almost spot on. It's not going to get any better than that. So these seem to be going together a lot easier than what I expected. I'm wondering what the catch is. So far so good. We'll keep on keeping on and we'll see what happens. Using my longer level, which is a lot more sensible. Let's line it up according to the holes and run it across, and that is spot on. Well, that was a rookie error. Accidentally measured to the inside instead of the outside. So I've just had to move my hole over a little bit from here. So yeah, it's going to be nice and straight. The other thing I should have really thought about more is the width of the stairs. Even though that looks good, even though I haven't screwed that on yet, don't look at how parallel they are. You can see there's about a 5mm gap on the inside. So, not ideal. These are 200mm wide, these stairs. They probably should have been 250mm wide. So I'm thinking I might get that sorted now. Went back to buy some from Bunnings, and it was $45 for a metre length, or just under a metre. It was actually $900. Would have been $200 or just under $200 for 4 of them. So I went back to the original length I was using. I'm going to rip it down into 4. I'm going to add that onto what I have, under $10 fix. So it may not be the prettiest, but let's get it done. So a quick reminder, guys, always wear your safety goggles when doing anything like this. Right, probably didn't think that one through the best either. I'm having one of those days, I think. The blade, the saw, I can't actually adjust it up and down, which means I can't get it all the way through the wood. So I'm going to get some clamps out. I'm going to get my drop saw out. We're going to finish it off that way. All right, so after all that mucking around, I think we've finally sorted it out. So basically what I'm going to do, I've got the original step here, and we're increasing the width of it by another 50, which I've just ripped down as you saw. So going to put some nice long bolts through it, which is going to go in about that far. Just a couple more of these to go. If there's any overhang, which this one has slightly, I'll trim it off with a drop saw. So all in all, I'm really happy with how they came up. It was fiddlier than I first anticipated. I got the width of the stair wrong, so as you saw, I had to rip those down and get those sorted. But honestly, I couldn't be happier because they work a treat. They're awesome. And really happy with the result. Couldn't be happier. It's going to be really handy going up down to the vans. I mean, I could just use a slope of grass, but who wants to do that? My wife said it's been 2 years and finally got it done. And yeah, got it done.